The 2015 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, auto headlight on-off. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, dual front airbags, panic alarm, power driver seat. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.